The drivetrain of any vehicle is a critical component. It transmits the engine's torque to the vehicle's wheels through a set of complex components. Now, SKF can help you rebuild these critical drivetrains with its complete line of differential, transfer case, and transmission kits. Engineered to meet or exceed OE specifications, SKF differential, transfer case, and transmission kits contain premium quality bearings, each with a matching cone and cup. Seals manufactured with SKF's patented bore-tight coating on the outer diameter for increased performance, and form-fitting gaskets and silicone sealant where applicable. All the components of SKF's kits are specially shrink-wrapped to white boards, which increases the product's shelf life and resists rust. This new packaging format also reduces the risk of missing components. Additionally, a new part numbering system makes ordering and stocking easier. With more than 200 part numbers now available for various automotive, light truck, and heavy-duty applications, you can turn to SKF as your single source for all your drivetrain rebuild needs. Ask for premium SKF differential, transfer case, and transmission kits from a company you know and can trust. SKF, the Knowledge Engineering Company. To learn more, visit www.vsm.skf.com.